What happens to the cosigner when you file for bankruptcy? Well, usually the cosigner is not dramatically affected in any way, and that cosigner will still be required to pay for the debt. We're asked this question many times because people are worried whether their cosigners will still have to pay for the debt that they co-signed for. And generally, the answer to that question is yes. However, if one person files for bankruptcy on a loan, it may still protect the cosigner, or at least help the cosigner in a few ways. First, in Chapter 7 or a normal bankruptcy case, having one less person off the loan can sometimes prompt the creditor to settle because they know there's not as good a chances on collecting as before because there's less people that are liable on the loan. So it can be very good for somebody that's a cosigner to try to settle a debt right after somebody else that's on that loan filed for bankruptcy. Other times, such as in Chapter 13, there's what's called a co-debtor stay. Now, this protects cosigners during the entire life of the Chapter 13 plan that can sometimes last up to 5 years, as long as a substantial repayment of that debt is proposed during the Chapter 13 process. However, it's very important to note that this just protects the co-debtor or cosigner during the Chapter 13. Sometimes the stay can also be lifted if it can be proved that no substantial repayment is being offered during that time period. Another problem is, too, that even if the Chapter 13 filer repays the entire debt, they may be paying it under different terms. And it's possible that the cosigner could maybe be responsible for the difference in the amount paid in the changed terms, even after the Chapter 13 case is completed.